Hello. Yeah, you can probably see I'm playing Touhou 18. The thing is, I'm playing this with the fight stick, so feels alright so far. Because I've been using this for a bit now. I've been using a fight stick for a bit now. I've been getting used to it, because lately, I've been having a lot of trouble with it, so I've been kind of getting bored of using it to play fighting games, and just using it to play other games instead. Holy. And I just happened to be like, what if I could play Touhou? So here's what I'm doing now, playing Touhou. Playing Touhou 18. I'm aware there's a new Touhou game out right now, but right now, like I don't have it because I'm poor. So I'm playing Touhou 18 using a fight stick. I'm actually like really bad at bullet hells. Just so you guys know. It's fine. I stay winning though. I stay winning. I stay winning. Stay winning. Oh, I stay winning. But yeah, using a fight stick has been like really good. It's a new experience. Way different than using WASD to play games. And just experimenting with something new is really fun. I didn't take buying a fight stick lightly, of course. The one I bought was a Combo Titan. I didn't want too much customization in mind, so I didn't really like branch out to like specifically get a fight stick that had an easier time to like put in like art and stuff. I'm probably gonna do that once I've like feel like I'm ready for it. Of course, I'm going to get a fight stick that allows artwork. I didn't do death bomb there, crap. Because for now, I just want to mod in a WASD mod. Yeah, bonus failed, I know. God, I actually suck. Oh, I forgot I played this game. I'm dumb. Yeah, hold on. Let's just Q. Let's try that again, actually. That was really bad. Yeah, once I get a fight stick mod installed, which I haven't said the name right, it's the Odin. The Odin V2. It's basically a WASD mod, which lets you use WASD like on a keyboard instead of a joystick for it. Because like I've tried out the stick, and I still am. In fact, I'm using it to play Touhou. Like what the heck? But like I just feel like buttons are a lot more precise to me. There's a lot of things that can go wrong when you use a stick. For me personally anyways. It's probably because I don't have enough experience, but my mod will come in around a month. So I'll have a month's worth of practice on the stick by the time I get the mod. Who knows, maybe I'll like love the stick itself and just I can't death bomb for my life. Okay. Ooh, almost died there. Yeah. But I am starting to enjoy using arcade stick a bit more. This be a bit more sensitive. I mean, it should be a bit less sensitive. I almost died. That was a really close shave. Oh my god, I'm getting like blindsided by everything. Holy cow. That was really bad. Oh man. No. You know what? Better than last time. God, I'm really bad. I'm really, really bad. But I've had this fight stick for 2 days, 48 hours. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it a lot. It's a new experience. I'm just reiterating everything I said at the beginning, but it's a new experience. It's fun. It's fun to use. It feels good too. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. And it... Oh, I didn't say the name of it, didn't I? No, I didn't. It's a Combo Titan. It's a good stick. It's a really good stick. If you just want something like that's like a no-nonsense stick, you just want to get into it, it's a pretty good stick for you. But if you want to like customize it and make it like personalize it, make it yours, like proudly show off your artwork at tournaments, like you probably might want to go with a different one. But I'm liking the Combo Titan right now, and I'm planning to install the Odin V2 mod in the place of its joystick, because I like buttons, and I've always been playing fighting games with WASD all my life. So there's that. And you might actually be asking, hey Q, why don't you just play fighting games with your arcade stick? It's really embarrassing when you can't run a fighting game and your recording software at the same time. Kinda sucks, honestly. So once I get a new computer, I'm probably gonna be recording more fighting game content for you guys, because my last fighting game videos were the Tekken and Skullgirls clips that I posted, right? Yeah. Those were pretty fun, but like, it was a pain getting them to like cooperate with me. Oh, crap. I ran right into that. Wow. I'm missing all the power. I don't know if I should just restart my run. You know, I'll keep going. Indomitable human spirit. What the heck? Okay. I don't know why Touhou wants me to hold down the shoot button though. Why, Zune? Did I accidentally death bomb? Oh yeah, I forgot about the buttons. The buttons, they're like really responsive. They're like clicky and stuff too. So it like sounds good, feels good. You know, they're mad sensitive though. So like, try not to like rest your hand on them, or else you might accidentally trigger an input. And also another difference between playing fighting games with a keyboard and a fight stick, like the buttons themselves, like the attack buttons, is that like they are really spread out. Like when I played on a keyboard, like my buttons were like really close together, so I could like press them pretty easily. But With an arcade stick, like I have to spread my hand out. Like my hands are like pretty big, but like I have to like spread them out rather wide, more wide than I'm used to, because this is like my first time using a stick. It's my first ever fight stick, because it's basically my dream to get into a fighting game local and like play. I'm a bit scared though, because I'm pretty bad at fighting games. So, but like I just kind of want to play, you know. And I don't really care if I get creamed anymore, but I just want to, like, you know, play. That's all. Maybe I should just click continue. Let's click continue. Screw it. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm finding the pocket. Yeah. But I really want to get a new computer and my fight stick mod, so I can show you guys like my full capabilities of what I can do in a fighting game, and I can record it for you guys, which would be really nice. Alright, what's this? I don't got money, and I can't read Japanese, so let's just get the extra life, because I kinda suck at the game. Yeah, let's go. Man, the thing I love Touhou, something you could always love about Touhou is the soundtrack. Like, damn, like Zune is like cooking like a 5-star meal with his music, man. Which is kind of embarrassing, because when I can't really listen to it on Spotify too much, because then that shows up on my last FM stats on my Discord. It gets a bit embarrassing, but don't mind that. Holy cow! Wait, I can't see. Dang. Okay, son. Holy cow. Wait, I do not remember it. The second stage being this difficult. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Barely led that one. You gotta remember the death ball one time. I need my 4 power up too. Please, I need full power. I had to bomb there, I'm sorry. Extra life? Yes, sir. Yeah, Yamashiro took on it. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I don't get creamed. What? No way. Please. I want to survive this stage at least. Okay, I ran into that one. That was actually on me. Holy. I'm really terrible at home. New high score. Yay. New high score. Ugh, I'm terrible at bullet hells, as you all can see. Holy cow. Wow. It's fine though. But yeah. Once I get a new PC that can actually run games, and I get my fight stick modification, the Odin V2, I'll start recording fighting game content, and not just fighting game content, a lot more games too. It'd be really nice to see you guys watch how I grow and develop as I learn how to play games, you know? So that's all it's gonna be for me though, so goodbye.